Welcome to the ACMEE 2025 Chennai exhibition. We are representing our company Batliboi Ltd, and actually our machine tool unit, production unit, it is at Udhna, Surat. And here we have come with three machines. Among them, two are VMC machining center. Which we have brought with new models that we have just introduced before a month. And this is our turning center, which is our regular product, and it is highly demanded by these tool and cutter sectors and the automotive sectors and the automobile sectors. Already yesterday machine is already sold, and already we have booked two machines further for in short time delivery. We are expecting that more bookings of this our turning center will be done.